Hi, fourth graders. So today we are going to practice alliteration. This will be our last day working on this type of poetry. So in Seesaw, you should see an activity that says The Great Fuzz Frenzy, Friday, May 28th. Here you can click this YouTube link if you want to listen to the story that we listened to together, or if you missed it, you can listen to it here. The story has a lot of alliteration, and alliteration means words that start with the same sound. So we're going to practice writing some alliteration today, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So click Add a Response and then find your name. And if you notice on the first page, it says, think of words that start with F and write them below. So I'm going to click the T. And I'm just going to start thinking of as many words as I can that start with F. And it can be names, it can be objects. So the first word that comes to mind is for, Fred, funny, finally, fire, fever, fast. I'm gonna leave that there. I think that seems like enough. And then I'm gonna go on to the next page. There's 4 pages over here. It says write an alliteration using some of the words that start with F. So if I go up here, let's see, I have for, Fred, funny, finally, fire, fever, fast. I think I'm gonna start, Fred, I'm gonna use the name Fred. I'm gonna start with that. So I'm gonna go over here and click the T, and I'm gonna write Fred. And let's go up back here. Let's see, Fred, I'm gonna say Fred finally. I'm gonna use finally. Fred finally, what's another word that starts with F? Fred finally fought a fire. Fought is a word that I didn't even put in that word bank, but it just came to me. I could also add fast. I think I'm going to add fast at the end. Fred finally fought a fire fast. There I have my alliteration. I have a bunch of words that start with F. Now notice not every single word has to start with F. I have in here because I need that for the sentence to make sense, but I used F as many times as I could. Okay, so now I'm going to go on. I did 1, 2, now I'm going to go on to 3. Think of words that start with S. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make a bank of words that start with S and then try to write an alliteration using S words. Now, you don't have to be perfect at this. You just need to try and do your best. And of course, if you are having troubles, let me know in our Google Meet so I can help you. But do your best work.